So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing an Cinebench 24 test on the Acer Nitro 5. So this is an i5 10th generation and 1650 Ti version, so graphic card doesn't matter here. So I'll be testing Cinebench. So I have already installed an Cinebench. So here is a Cinebench app. So I will be testing on single core and multi-core. So now it is connected in 40 degrees, so it is an ideal condition. Let me just put it into an max mode. So now the currently fan is running on max mode. So even you can see the RPM. So some of you are also asking for me for an RPM speed. So GP is around 6000 RPM and CPU is 5000 or 5300. It basically sometimes it varies. Now let me just minimize this thing. Let me close this. Let me open Cinebench. First we'll be testing on single core. So the charger is been plugged. You can see charger is plugged. Let me just start then a single core test first. And let me just show you how much CPU has been utilizing. So the clock speed is around 4 GHz, and let me just show you the temperature in NitroSense, because it is the only way that I can access. So the temperature is around 62 degrees, which is pretty much good in my opinion. It's below 60 degrees. So now I am just testing on a single core, not a multi-core. For CPU single core test has been completed. Now let me just check how much that I have got. So I have got around 1134. So even previously I have tested. So previously I have got around 1119. So now 1134 I have got. Now let me just check the NitroSense. So in single core the maximum temperature it has hit around 67 degree. It has hit maximum. Now let me just close this thing and let me just run the multi-core benchmark now and show you the temperatures. So currently it is 76. So multi-core it will consume a lot of CPU usage. Now I'll be closing this thing. So you can see the CPU is utilizing 100%. You can see. So because we are testing multi-core, you can see the CPU is utilization 100% at clock speed is around 4 GHz, more than 4 GHz. Let me just check it. Temperature hit is 90 or 90 degree plus or not. So it is currently 84 degree. Now let me just check. It is started hitting 92 degree temperature. So it is CPU is utilizing. Let me just check it is the thermal throttling or not. So it's running on normally. It is running fine. So for clock speed is around 4 GHz. Not any thermal throttling issues were found. So constant it is running on 93 degree, 93, 92. So this is the maximum temperature it has been touched. So it is almost constantly, the temperature is constantly around 92, 90. So 91, 92 degrees the constant temperature for a multi-core test. You can see just it has now dropped 59. So because now the benchmark has been stopped. So this is the score that I have got. So I have got around 5133 score. So this is the multi-core test. You can see this is the 5330 points I have got. I know in Ryzen processor you will get more than 7000 to 8000 you will get a score. Ryzen usually the Ryzen 5 processor are more powerful than Intel ones. If you like this video, means give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next one.